Today we're going to go over inequalities. Inequalities have these symbols, not an equal sign, but are solved the same way, then graphed on a number line. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. When you read these statements, you need to understand that this is your equation, x equals 10. When you read an inequality, you would read x is less than 10 or x is greater than 10. Again, equation, y equals -4. Inequality, y is less than or equal to -4, y is greater than or equal to -4. What is a good definition for inequality? An inequality is a statement that two expressions are not equal, and you graph them on a number line similar to this. X is less than 1. When we graph this on a number line, we take a dot and we put it at the 1. We then look at the direction of your symbol, of your less than symbol, and it's going to the left. So we would make our little arrow go to the left. On this example, all numbers are greater than or equal to 2. So because we have the greater than or equal, our circle is now closed. So I go to the 2, I put my closed circle there, and then I put my arrow going to the right because it is greater than or equal to 2. If we look at this example, x plus 8 is less than 12. I subtract 8 from both sides, just like we would an equation. You just keep your less than sign, and your answer is x is less than 4. Now, it's only a less than, not a less than or equal, so my circle has to be opened. So I'm going to pick my open circle, and I'm going to put it on the number line. Now I draw my little arrow, and you'll notice that the symbol is going to the left because it's less than. So I'm going to take my little arrow, I'm going to follow it that way, and that is the solution. Last example, 7p is less than or equal to -21. I divide both sides by 7. I get p is less than or equal to -3. Because it's less than or equal, my circle has to be closed. So I take my closed circle to -3. You'll notice that the arrow or your symbol is pointing to the left. So I'm going to take this arrow and I'm going to bring it down there. And that's how you solve inequalities.